We are on to cycle 2. For this section, I would like you to read pages 180 to 183 on your own. Again, if you have your book, you have that pulled out, you're on page 180. If you do not have your book, you are pulling up the attachment with this assignment and reading from there. You can pause the video. When you are done reading, start on this question. I will help you through it. Pause now. Welcome back. You have now read that section. We are going to answer this question. We're going to compare the way that Bud falls asleep in this section with how he normally falls asleep. Here, he said it was strange, even though this was the bedroom of some little girl who kicked the bucket, I wasn't feeling scared or nervous at all. I took in a deep, deep breath, and it felt like I was sleeping with my own blanket wrapped around my head. And then if we think back to earlier in the book, he said, I used a little trick to help me fall off to sleep. I pulled my blanket up over my head and breathed in a real deep smell. After doing this 3 times, the smells of the shack in the Hooverville were gone, and only the smell of my blanket was in my nose. So I'd like you to compare what we see now with Bud trying to fall asleep with what we saw before. Start your answer with the word while. When you are done, move on to cycle 3.